Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Samsung Unpacked, it's already said and done. Everything we wanted to know that we already knew is out there, and basically you're not going to get a major upgrade with the Z Fold 5 in comparison to the Z Fold 4. The major changes with the Z Fold 5...
Give me a second here because I got to pay for my coffee. Hello. Good morning. There you go. Have a great day.
Is that you're now going to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 instead of the Gen 1. No more gap. You're not going to have a gap. That's the physical change. With that being the major change in hardware, and there's not much going on in a lot of the other areas, like it's going to be the same battery, 4,400 milliamp battery, the same cameras. Of course, there's going to be a software upgrade to the cameras and the software experience when it comes to all the apps, tools that you utilize on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. There's going to be that software upgrade there, and along with the multitasking as well. You still got to purchase the S Pen separately. Changes that could have happened with the design is integrating the S Pen into the Z Fold 5. That would have been sweet if the device itself was not as tall and a little bit wider so you could house the S Pen, but that's not going to happen. So software upgrade, cool. Chipset upgrade, sweet. And no gap. So yeah, I mean, there's going to be a lot of similarities. So anyway, that's going to be up to you whether you want to upgrade. I mean, coming from the Z Fold 3, that's probably a better deal. So anyway, leave some feedback. I want to know what you guys are going to do, what you're not going to do. If you don't care, then you don't care. But I will be bringing in the Z Fold 5. Got it for a great deal, $803. Trading in my S21 Ultra for 800 smacks. Plus I got the education discount through my wife. So definitely a great way to enter the Z Fold world for me. Yeah, that's man, 803 smacks. That's a great deal. Anyway, looking forward to the journey with all of you during the reviewing process, but leave some feedback. I want to know your thoughts, your opinions. Did you order? Did you not order? And what did you take advantage of as far as the trading deal? And or are you not utilizing that? Anyway, that's it. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.